District magistrates have issued relaxation of movement for the entire revenue jurisdiction of Valley districts of Manipur from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. In an official notification signed by the district magistrates, it stated that the order, which is a modified order of Section 163 of BNSS 2023, was issued after reviewing the prevailing situation, which has recently been cooled down after Arambai Tengol called off its general strike. The order mentioned that any movement outside of their respective residences will be permitted from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. only, provided no activity is carried out that could disturb the prevailing law and order in the scheduled area. It also prohibits assembly of 5 or more persons in any public places, and carrying of sticks, stones, firearms, sharp weapons, or explosive materials in the scheduled area remains strictly prohibited. The district magistrates mentioned that these modified order will remain in force until further notice.